Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have another Amazon nail haul. So I ordered more of the Model 1's top coat because it's one of my favorites. So I ordered 2 of the 10 milliliter, 15 milliliter bottles. I thought these were the smaller ones because that's what I'm used to getting. And I was surprised with how huge it is compared to my nail, so that's a good thing. Because some reason I'm always running out of top coat. And then I got a favorite of mine is the base gel and the top coat. So that's what I have. I'm used to having these smaller bottles of this. No, the 2 sets of this one is like smaller than this. So, and then I got these Aurora gems. I think I have everything linked down below. I think this one's supposed to be like purple and like a gold color or yellow color, and then this one is supposed to be like a yellow, blue, orange color, as you can see right there. I thought that was really pretty. I have more of these coming in the mail, so I'll show them. But I have the Aurora film. It's not like so I wanted to do stuff with these in the Aurora film that I have. So I couldn't do anything with the Aurora film that I have until I got a lot of these. So sorry about that. I'll add on the other stuff that I got. So I just wanted to show a closer look of these. So on white, it looks like a yellow with a purple shift or something like that. But once you put it on here, it looks purple blue. And these are all the different shapes that it comes in. I think these are a tad bit bigger than the other gems that I have. They're similar to this. And then this one on a white background looks like this. And then once you put it on a black, it looks blue. So I can't wait to use these. This is what they both look like. And I'll show the other ones that I got coming. So I'm so excited that these finally came in. So on the back, they all say what color this is. This one's Phantom Purple. This is the first one that I bought, or I picked. There's different shapes and kinds in there. These are all the Aurora. These aren't all of them, but a majority of them. I thought this one was beautiful. And this says Gold Purple, number 17. This one was number 1. And then this is number 26. And it looks like this. I thought it was really pretty. And then this one is number 8, the Aurora Pink. Oh, okay, not all of them are Aurora. Just some of them. I could have probably gotten these cheaper on Shein, but I honestly did not want to wait 2 months to 2 weeks to a month just to get them in. This is number 13, light purple. Did I show this one? And then this is a purple. I bought like all the purple and pinks. This one says number 25, crystal purple. Number 7, Aurora Purple. And this is number 2, Absolute Purple. It has like a yellow shimmer to it, which is interesting. And then this is Barbie Pink. So some of these look way different online than in person, but that's fine. Well, this one was way brighter online, along with this one was way brighter, but I guess that's fine. So I do have plans with these. The other 2 are in the beginning of my haul. They're from a different seller. So I'm happy to see that these are all different. And there are other ones. So I tried to link some of these below while they're still in stock. I know for a fact they no longer carry this one. These are going fast from what I saw on Amazon. And I'm pretty happy with what I got. So thanks for watching. Bye.